I spent over $200 a month subscribing to 6 different AI video tools until I found the one platform that replaced them all. And it's the only one that gives your credits back if you're not happy with what it makes. Let me show you the 3 features that make Viddo AI a complete game changer for anyone creating AI content. Here's the problem most AI creators deal with. You want Sora for cinematic shots, Runway for quick edits, VO3 for dialogue scenes, Midjourney for images, Suno for music, and ElevenLabs for voiceovers. That's 6 separate subscriptions, 6 accounts, 6 interfaces. Viddo AI puts all of these under one roof. Video generation with Sora 2, VO 3.1, Runway Gen 4, Kling, and Hailuo. Image creation with Nano Banana 2, Midjourney, GPT-4o, and more. Voice cloning and text-to-speech with ElevenLabs, plus audio tools like noise removal and sound effects. One subscription, one dashboard, done. But here's the thing. Most AI video tools limit you to 5 or 10 seconds per clip. So what happens when you actually need a full scene? Viddo AI does something incredible. Their Video Extend feature lets you keep extending your video with no length limit. You generate a base clip, hit extend, describe what happens next, and the AI continues your scene with perfect continuity. No awkward cuts, no stitching clips together manually. So whether you're making a product demo, a short film, or a YouTube intro, you're no longer trapped in a 10-second box. Watch this. I extended this one video 3 times and ended up with a 25-second continuous scene from one single starting clip. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I burn through credits on a video that turns out terrible? Viddo AI is the only platform that actually promises to restore your credits if you're not satisfied with the generated video. You hit generate, you don't like what comes out. And with prices starting as low as 8 cents per Sora 2 video and 29 cents for VO 3.1, you're already saving a ton compared to individual subscriptions. The credit guarantee just makes it completely risk-free to try. If you're tired of juggling multiple AI tools and want everything, video, images, music, voice, and audio, all in one place, check out Viddo.ai. Link in the description. They're running 50% off on annual plans right now. And if you want to see me actually build a complete AI short film using nothing but Viddo AI, from script to final render, I made an entire video on that. Click right here. Subscribe if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.